How to delete bank details in the Groww app. I'm going to show you how you can easily delete bank details in the Groww app. To delete your bank account, first, click on the Bank Details button below to go to the Bank Account Details screen. Next, click on the three dots next to your bank's name, which you want to delete. Now click on Delete to remove the account from Groww. You will not be able to delete the bank account if you have only one verified bank account on Groww. In this case, add another bank account and make this new account your primary bank account on Groww. Once done, you can delete the previous bank account. There are any SIPs or autopay linked to the bank account that you want to delete. The bank account that you are trying to delete is the primary bank account. In this case, if you have just one bank account, then add a new bank account and make it the primary bank account to delete the older one. In case you already have multiple bank accounts added on Groww, make any other bank account primary to delete the bank account you want to. Unless you make another bank account as primary, dividends would still be credited into the deleted bank account.